Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Intense Repair Night Cream, a luxurious face moisturizer designed to work while you sleep. This night cream combines powerful ingredients like natural ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and omega-rich seed oils to help repair, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin overnight. The product is a collagen-enriched cream that promises to enhance skin smoothness, elasticity, and reduce fine lines. It's enriched with natural ceramides that help replenish your skin's moisture barrier, while cotton thistle extract stimulates epidermal regeneration. You also have hyaluronic acid in the formula, which helps plump up the skin, leaving it looking more youthful and refreshed. I've been using this night cream for a few weeks now, and I must say, it has become a staple in my evening skincare routine. The texture is rich but not overly heavy, which I appreciate since I tend to gravitate towards products that hydrate without feeling greasy. When I apply it, my skin feels immediately nourished, and I love how smooth it feels when I wake up in the morning. What I really noticed is how well this cream calms my skin. It includes rosemary, cornflower, and chamomile extracts, which are known for their redness-reducing and soothing properties. If you've been dealing with any irritation or skin redness, this cream could be a game changer for you. It works perfectly for sensitive skin, especially during the night when your skin is naturally more in a repair mode. Now let's talk about the overall performance. As someone who has tested a wide range of night creams, I can tell you that this one stands out in terms of hydration and smoothing effects. It's been reducing the fine lines around my eyes and mouth, and my skin feels noticeably firmer. However, if you're looking for a product that will deliver more immediate, visible anti-aging results, you might need something with stronger actives, like retinol or peptides. This cream is more about nourishing and revitalizing the skin, making it ideal for those looking for long-term benefits. Pros: deeply hydrating and nourishing, contains natural ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and omega oils, reduces redness and soothes irritation, leaves skin feeling smooth and revitalized by morning. Cons: may not provide immediate anti-aging results for those looking for stronger actives. Price point could be considered a bit high for those on a tight budget. As for the value for money, I think it's well worth the investment if you're looking for a rich, soothing night cream that hydrates deeply and improves skin's texture over time. The formulation is solid, and with ingredients like ceramides and omega oils, you're definitely getting a lot of quality for the price. If you're looking for similar products, but at a more affordable price, there are some other ceramide-based night creams out there that can offer similar hydration, but they may not have the same combination of soothing extracts. If you want a comparable product, but want to save a bit, you could try options from brands like CeraVe or Eucerin, which also offer ceramide-rich formulas at a lower price point. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and feels premium. It comes in a glass jar, which I personally like because it feels more substantial, but it's also worth mentioning that glass jars aren't always the most practical for traveling. Nonetheless, the design is functional and looks nice on your bathroom shelf. So, after using this product for a few weeks, I can confidently say it delivers on its promises of smooth, hydrated, and rejuvenated skin. It's great for anyone looking to incorporate a nourishing, anti-aging cream into their nightly routine. If you're interested in trying this product, be sure to check the link in the description box below. And if you've already used it, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.